Hi guys, welcome to Clean Code Online's second episode on Java database with MySQL and JDBC. In today's video, I'll show you how to create privileged users, database, and tables in your local MySQL server. So let's get in. I hope you have installed the XAMPP on your computer, so go ahead and open the XAMPP control panel. You can find XAMPP control panel by pressing the Windows key and typing XAMPP control panel. Now go ahead and start Apache and MySQL services. Then click the admin button in line with MySQL. This will open up the phpMyAdmin page. First, let's create a user who is able to access this database server. So go to User Accounts tab on your phpMyAdmin page, and then select Add User Account. Give a username and password you wish. And for the host name, select Local from the drop-down. This sets the host to localhost. Under the global privileges, tick the Check All checkbox. This will add all privileges to this user, so this user will be able to access all databases on the server and do anything that the database server allows. Now click Go on the bottom of the page. That's it. User has been created. Now let's create the database. Go to Database tab on your phpMyAdmin page. Under Create Database, give a database name. Make sure you don't leave any spaces in between the words. Now click Create button. This will create the database on this server. Now let's create a table on this database. Under the Structure tab of your newly created database, you will find an option, Create Table. Here give the table name. Again, no spaces are allowed. Then specify the number of columns need. Now click Go. Now specify the names for the column, their data types, and the length. You won't need to put a length for integer data type, as it will be assigned automatically. Remember to put the length of the data, such that it will be able to cover the longest possible input data. For any table, we need to set a column with a primary key, which is a unique key used to identify the rows of that table. You can set the primary key by selecting Primary Key in the Null Index drop-down of the selected column. You can even set an auto increment for the primary key, which is something I prefer to do, but it is not a must. Remember, data in primary key should be unique. Once finished, click Save on the bottom of the page. There you go, the table has been created. That's all I have for this video, guys. In the next video, I'll show you how to connect to this database and access it from your Java program. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.